Yes, good morning, beta. Yesterday we were doing chapter number 14, symmetry. We were doing last exercise. 3 questions are pending. So let's complete those 3 questions first. Then we will continue with the MCQs of this chapter. Okay. So exercise 14.3, question number 5. Question number 5 is, name the quadrilaterals which have both line and rotational symmetry of order more than 1. आपने quadrilaterals बताने हैं. There are many quadrilaterals which have line symmetry and rotational symmetry both, and order should be more than 1. Okay, so answer can be square, rectangle, and can you tell me any other example? Okay, so according to me, these two are the answer. Square and rectangle have line symmetry and rotational symmetry. Yes, Drishti?
Ma'am, equilateral triangle.
बेटा quadrilaterals बताने हैं आपने.
Okay.
अगर लिखा होता ना figures तो आपको equilateral triangle लिख सकते थे. But now the question is quadrilateral. So you have to write quadrilaterals only. Now, question number 6. In question number 6, आपको कहते हैं कि फिगर्स को, अगर किसी फिगर को 60 डिग्री पे रोटेट करते हैं, then it after rotating by 60 degree about a center, a figure look exactly same as the original position. At what other angles will it happen for the figure? पहले 60 पे रोटेट किया, नेक्स्ट कहता किस एंगल पे रोटेट करें, कितने एंगल्स पे रोटेट कर सकते हैं कि बार बार सेम फिगर रिपीट होती जाए. सो आंसर कैन बी 60. Add 60 to this, that is 120. Again add 60 to this, that is 180. Again add 60 to this, that is 240. Again 60, that is 300. Again 60, that is 360. Okay, so at these angles, figure will look same. Okay, beta. Now next question is question number 7. Question number 7 is, can you find a rotational symmetry of order more than 1 whose angle is 45? एंगल कितना दे रखा है? 45. इफ अगर 360 को 45 कंप्लीटली डिवाइड कर देता है तो यस इट्स पॉसिबल टू रोटेट थ्रू 45. और अगर इफ इट्स नॉट डिवाइडिंग इट कंप्लीटली then that means rotation is not possible. So divide it with 9. 9 4s are 36, 0 9 5s are 45, कटिंग करके 8 आ गया. तो आप लिखोगे yes, rotation is possible. ठीक है, yes, rotation is possible. Second part, एंगल कितना है? 17. एंगल कितना है? 17. डिवाइड करो 360 को 17 से, नॉट पॉसिबल. तो रोटेशन इज नॉट पॉसिबल. अगर ये डिवाइड हो जाता देन यस रोटेशन इज पॉसिबल, अदरवाइज नो. गॉट इट? Got it, beta? Please note it down.
Three.
Read the question.
How many lines of symmetry are there in an equilateral triangle? Answer is option C, 3.
3. Okay. Next, Jasleen. Khushi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Jasleen. Read the next question.
How many lines of symmetry are there in square? 4. B option.
There are 4 lines of symmetry. Yes, yes. Yes, Khushi. Khushi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, next question.
How many lines of symmetry are there in a rectangle? Option B, 2.
There are 2 lines of symmetry. Very good. Yes, Shreya. Read next question. Anji.
How many lines of symmetry in the regular pentagon?
Regular pentagon. Yes.
Ma'am, 5.
Yes. Pentagon is having 5 sides, so it
Five.
has 5 lines of symmetry. Wait. Next. Yes, Sanya.
Yes,
C-section student, please raise your hand for giving answer. Raise your hand, I will unmute you. Yes.
How many lines of symmetry are there in a regular hexagon? The answer is 6.
Answer is 6. Yes. Actually, hexagon is having 6 sides, na? Regular figure. What do you mean by regular? What do you mean by regular? Regular figure whose all sides and all angles are of equal measurement. Whose all sides and all angles are of equal measurement. Those figures are called regular figures. Question number 6. Yes. Yes, Arshia.
How many lines of symmetry are there in the following figure? A option 1.
1. ये T है, T. ठीक है? तो T में कितनी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होती है? 1. That is vertical line of symmetry. Yes, okay. Harshia, class 7C. Samriddhi, yes.
Yes, ma'am. How many lines of symmetry are there in the following figure? Answer is 1.
1. That is your horizontal slanting line of symmetry. Only one line of symmetry, that is slanting. Yes, next question is. Yes, Jalash.
How many lines of symmetry are there in following? Ma'am, answer is 1.
Answer is
Ma'am, 1. A option.
1. Okay. Mute yourself. Next, Guneet. Yes, Guneet.
Yes,
Next.
Ma'am, 1.
This is M, so it has vertical line of symmetry. Okay. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Your name
How
is
many
Puranji.
Puranje.
Puranji. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
How many lines are there in the following figure? Ma'am, answer is 1.
1. That is A. A has vertical or horizontal line of symmetry.
Ma'am, horizontal.
No, it's vertical.
Oh, sorry, vertical.
It has vertical line of symmetry. Yes, Samnya.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question.
Ma'am, 1.
1. That is vertical or horizontal?
Ma'am, vertical.
Samnya.
Ma'am, vertical.
Okay, vertical line of symmetry. Yes, Harshia. Harshia, 7C, yes.
Yes, ma'am. How many lines of symmetry are there in a following figure? Option D.
Yes.
Infinite.
That is infinite. Can you tell me the degree of order of rotation, rotational symmetry? Order of rotational symmetry. Yes, Lakshay.
Ma'am, infinite.
And what is the angle of rotation?
Angle of rotation. Ma'am, 360.
No, at every angle. At every angle it has rotational symmetry. कल हमने discuss किया तो था that table in the question number 4 we have done. This question was there in that table also. Mute yourself. Anmol,
Okay.
Bhavesh.
Yes, ma'am. How many lines of symmetry are there in isosceles triangle? Ma'am, D part 2.
D part?
2.
No. Who will correct it? Yes, Ridhima.
1. Ma'am, isosceles triangle 1.
1. Is there, what is the order of rotational symmetry in isosceles triangle? What is the order of rotational symmetry?
Ma'am, 1.
1. Because after complete 360 rotation, you will have one time the same figure as the previous one, original figure. So its order of rotational symmetry is 1. And angle? Can you tell me the angle? What's the angle? Okay. Next, who will answer the next question? Yes, Ridhima.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes. Who is this?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Drishti, just wait, beta. You will again get the chance. Just wait. Ridhima is there. She is raising hand. Yes, Ridhima.
How many lines of symmetry are there in an scalene triangle? B0.
Yes, scalene triangle have all the different side. So it has no line of symmetry. So you don't have any line of symmetry. Okay. Yes, Rudra. Rudra, Prerna, Janvi. I want all of you to give response in the class. How many lines of symmetry are there in a rhombus? Yes, Janvi. Yes, Bhavya.
Ma'am, 2.
2.
2.
Can you tell me, is it horizontal, vertical, or something else?
Ma'am, horizontal.
No, no, no,
Horizontal and vertical.
no.
Ma'am, vertical.
No.
I'm diagonal.
Vertical.
Yes.
Diagonal.
Actually, rhombus, the diagonals of the rhombus are the lines of symmetry. रोम्बस में हॉरिजॉन्टल और वर्टिकल नहीं होता, जैसे रोम्बस उसमें नहीं होता, पैरेललोग्राम में नहीं होता. तो रोम्बस में जो उसके डायगोनल्स होते हैं वो लाइंस ऑफ सिमेट्री होती है. रोम्बस में जो डायगोनल्स होते हैं दोज आर lines of symmetry. How many lines of symmetry are there in a parallelogram? Yes, Lakshay.
Ma'am, 0. Option A.
Yes, parallelogram have no line of symmetry. Next is, how many lines of symmetry are there in a quadrilateral? Yes, Drishti.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, answer do beta.
Ma'am, can I give answer?
Who is this?
Ma'am, Shreya.
Yes.
Four.
How many lines of symmetry are there in a quadrilateral?
Ma'am, answer is 0.
Okay, answer is 0 because a quadrilateral don't have any line of symmetry. Can you tell me the figures? Can you tell me the name of the figures which don't have line of symmetry? This we have discussed in the class also earlier. Can you tell me the name of the figures? Bache, quiet. Can you tell me the name of the figure which don't have any line of symmetry? जलश.
Yes, ma'am.
जलश आंसर दो बच्चे, कौन से फिगर्स आएंगे?
Ma'am, 18 one.
I said name the figures which don't have any line of symmetry.
Ma'am, parallelogram.
Too much disturbance from your side.
Ma'am, parallelogram.
Parallelogram, quadrilateral, scalene triangle. ठीक है? Next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the next question.
Yes.
Wait, don't mute yourself. The order of rotational symmetry of equilateral triangle.
3.
3. What is the angle?
Angle 120.
Yes, 360 by 3, that is 120. Yes, Arshia, next question.
The order of
Yes,
rotational symmetry of a square is 4.
4. Order is 4 and angle is
90 degree.
90 degree. Exactly. Yes, who else? बच्चे अभी वो कहाँ गया? संचित. Sanchit has just raised his hand. I have unmuted him. Sanchit. Sanchit.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question.
Ma'am, what is the order of rotational symmetry of a following figure?
कितना आएगा ऑर्डर?
Ma'am, 4.
Yes, 4 आएगा. और एंगल कितना होगा?
Ma'am.
देखो यहाँ पे 90 बन रहा है, सब जगह 90 एंगल बन रहा है, तो
Ma'am.
ऑर्डर आएगा 90.
Yes.
90.
Okay.
नेक्स्ट. यस हिमांशी. समृद्धि, 1 मिनट वेट करो. हिमांशी. Yes.
The order of the rotational symmetry of the following figure above the point marked cross 4.
Yes, exactly. It's 4. Very good. Samriddhi, chalo next.
Yes, ma'am. The order of rotational symmetry of the following figure about the point marked x is 3.
3. Okay. Actually, आपको दिख रहा है ना यहाँ पे 120, 120, 123 एंगल फॉर्म हो रहे थे. इट इज सेम एज इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. सो ऑर्डर इज 3 एंड एंगल इज 120. Yes. Nandini. Rihanika,
Yes, ma'am.
Nandini, answer this 23rd question.
The order of the rotational symmetry of the following figure about the point marked X is 2.
Yes. Anmol, Mishti, Anmol, question number 24.
Ma'am, H.
H, yes, exactly, it's H. Vertical mirror मतलब जिसमें vertical line of symmetry हो. Mishti, Akshit, don't want to give response. Tanya, Tarun, yes.
Ma'am, you have unmuted me.
Tanya,
Ma'am, Sandhya.
Yes, ma'am.
Tanya is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Tanya, read the next question, beta.
Which of the following letters of English alphabet has reflectional symmetry about a horizontal mirror? H.
Yes, H. Because H is the alphabet that has both horizontal and vertical line of symmetry. Next, Nishchay, Nishchay Joshi, Saksham, Tarun, Vaibhav, Tarun,
मैम पूरा क्वेश्चन विजिबल नहीं है 27
who is this beta Tarun?
मैम ये
26th question.
26th क्वेश्चन 26 मैम A.
Read the question.
Which of the following letters of English alphabet has reflection symmetry about both horizontal and vertical mirrors?
Yes. Answer is
Ma'am, A part.
O. Yes. Read next question also. Actually, O is actually we have 4 alphabet which have both line of symmetry. H, I, O, and one more is there. X. So these are the 4 English alphabet that have both type of line of symmetry. Okay? Can you tell me? Yes, Tarun? Tarun,
Ma'am, yes.
can you tell me the English alphabet which don't have any line of symmetry? English alphabets that don't have any line of symmetry. जिसमें कोई line of symmetry नहीं है. Is there any alphabet?
Ma'am,
L.
Ma'am, F.
Yes.
Ma'am, F.
Yes.
F.
Or L.
P.
L.
Yes, yes.
Z.
Correct. Z. R, Q, J, F. There are so
Ma'am, G.
yes, G. There are so many alphabet which don't have any line of symmetry. Puranji, you are doing some homework? Yes. Yes, yes, you are doing something else. I think you are completing your some notebook homework.
Ma'am, I am writing this MCQs.
Why? No need. All these are given on the net. You can just type the name of the chapter. All you details you will get here.
Okay, ma'am.
Now the next question is, yes, Sanchit, the quadrilateral which have both line and rotational symmetry of order more than one.
मैम ये 27th का डी पार्ट.
Square, yes. This same question we have done and it is already written in the board. We have done the 5th question in the beginning of this period, that the quadrilateral which have both line and rotational symmetry of order more than one is square and rectangle. How many lines of symmetry a isosceles triangle have? Yes. How many lines of symmetry an isosceles triangle have?
One.
One. It has one line of symmetry. And rhombus has? Rhombus has?
0.
No. Rhombus has two lines of symmetry.
2.
Those are
Two.
the types. Scalene triangle have
0.
no line of symmetry. And square has
4 lines of
Four.
symmetry.
circle has
Infinite lines of symmetry.
yes. Semicircle have semicircle.
1 line of symmetry.
And isosceles trapezium have isosceles trapezium have
Ma'am, 1 line of symmetry.
this we did yesterday na ki isosceles trapezium has line of symmetry. It has one line of symmetry and rotational symmetry of order one only, not more than one. तो हमने एक फिगर की थी ना क्वाड्रिलेटरल जिसमें लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होनी चाहिए बट रोटेशनल सिमेट्री का ऑर्डर मोर देन वन होना चाहिए. तो इसमें नहीं है ना, मतलब नॉट मोर देन वन होना चाहिए. तो आंसर था आइसोसेलेस ट्रेपेजियम. दिस वी डिड यस्टरडे इन द 5th पीरियड. ठीक है, हमने किया था यही सेम क्वेश्चन. हाउ मेनी लाइंस ऑफ सिमेट्री an equilateral triangle have? Drishti?
3.
3. What is the angle of rotation?
Uh,
80 degree.
No, 120.
120.
Equilateral के केस में 120 होता है. ठीक है? Anything that you want to ask? Any doubt from your side? Anything you want to ask from any topic that is not clear? So according to me, this chapter we had completed. We have completed it from the book. And today what you will do, you will do question number 5 and 6 of exercise 14.3 in the homework. And one more thing, you will read out all the examples of this chapter. And if you will have any doubt, we will discuss tomorrow. And maybe we will start with the next chapter. Okay? We will start with the next chapter.